Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking halloumi fries. These fries have a crispy outside and a soft, cheesy inside. They're perfect for parties or a great snack. In a bowl, add half a cup of flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika and 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix together. Next, you'll need a couple blocks of halloumi. Slice them into strips, creating fries. Now roll them in the flour, making sure they're fully coated. Heat a pot of oil to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Lower the halloumi gently into the oil. Always lower things away from yourself so you don't get burnt. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. This will be enough time for the outside to become nice and crispy and the center to become soft. Drain from the oil, and there you have it, halloumi fries. This is a great finger food for parties or an awesome salty snack. These fries have a crispy outside and a soft, cheesy inside. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.